Hi, I'm Tejas Viradia, and this is my first assessment of robotics. In manual initials, I try to draw my initials with the help of teach target, and this is all manual target I had made with the and you as you can see, this is my T. T stands for Tejas, V stand for Viradia, and this is how it looks like when it does the manual initial. I try to draw my initials with the Apple logo TV. As you can see, I'm gonna start with the Apple TV logo, and this is the Apple TV logo. In this symbol I just write my initials as well as the graphics. I just combine the graphic and the TV initials all together, as you can see, like this. So I try to show you in the different orientation. So in Iron Man face, I just selected one option from the 5 option which I had given to the robot, and then as you can see, the at the corner or at the rounding edges of the sketch, it will slow down the robot, and the reason behind it is the density of the target. I actually increase it, and due to that, it will also increase the accuracy of the drawing as well as the velocity wherever it's needed actual. So it will also manage to do the velocity stuff as well. So this is how I turn it. As you can see, this is the Iron Man face. So all I did, so I have all the drawings when the point coming down, pen coming down to this, I just make a 50 mm offset up in the Z direction, so it won't damage the paper when it's drawing the graphic on the paper. Let's come to the Nike logo. I just selected Nike logo from the all fifth options. So Nike logo, I made it from the SolidWorks file. Basically all the graphics which you are seeing currently, they all are made from the SolidWorks, and then I just converted that SolidWorks file to the .sat folder, and then I just imported that file into Robot Studio, and then I just done the orientation and the locations of where it's located in the work object. So I just try to make a Nike logo, as you can see. Now talking about the auto initials with the pick and place option, I just write a program which draws my initial, which is T and V, and then after drawing that graphic, it will change the tool and to the gripper, and then it will grab my TV initial and then put it at the same place. So this is very simple project or code that I written it, as you can see. Now talking about the modifying work object to a different position and orientation. Now first go to in the work object and targets, then click on modifying work object, and then once it's open the dialog, you have to go to the in user frame. There is position and orientation. I'm gonna select one in the Y direction, and then in the orientation I'm gonna select 1 degree in the Z direction. So once you hit the accept button, so accept, and then done. So as you can see, the work object has slightly moved to the Y directions, and then there is another options where you can just go to the offset position and then go to transitions and then rotations wherever you need it, as like you can configure to the all the different things, and then hit OK. And then after changing the work object or the orientation, what you have to do is select all the paths where you have done, whichever you have completed the path, just select all the paths and then hit and then click on synchronize to rapid. So once you've done it, it will all take the new work object positions, and then it will take as the base point. Now thank you for watching this first assessment.